Morning student, welcome to your math class. We have done the 8 question, 1 to 8 question of 10.5 exercise. Now we will start the question number 9 of the exercise 10.5. Okay. Your question number 9 is, there are the two circles just like this. First circle and there is a second circle and there is a one line PBQ and one more line is there, that is ABD. These two are the lines. Clear? Now you have to show that angle. This point is C, so you have to show that this angle and this angle what you have to prove? Firstly, you have to write all the things here. Given that two circles intersect at B and C, and what you need to prove? You need to prove that angle ACP is equal to the QCD, this angle and this angle. And as you know that this angle C is created by this angle, and this angle ACP will be equal to the ABP. Okay, so this will be related by this one, and this angle QCD is made by this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, so I am just making it clear. Clear? So this angle will be equal to this one. Now how you will prove it? Just take here as PBQ is a line. PBQ is a line. So there should be a linear pair. That angle PBA plus ABQ is equal to 180 degrees. A linear pair. As this PBQ is a line, same ABD is also a line. So the angle DBQ plus QBA will be equal to 180 degrees. In linear pair, both are making the linear pair. If this is a line, this is a line, so this angle plus this whole angle will be 180 degree. In the same way, if this is a line, so this angle plus this whole angle is equal to 180 degree. So by 1 and 2, by 1 and 2, you can say that the both should be equal. That angle PBA plus ABQ will be equal to DBQ plus QBA, and these both angles are equal. Clear? So you can say that the PBA equal DBQ, but PBA will be equal to PCA, but angle PBA will be equal to the angle PCA, or we can say that you can write it that PBA is equal to the PCA or ACP, and QBD will be equal to DCQ, because since angle made by same segment are also equal, so this will be equal. Clear? As you can see that this PBA will be equal to ACP because that made by the same segment AP, and this angle BBQ will be equal to DCQ since angle made by the same segments are equal and hence proved. So this is our question related to just basic on the linear pair. Okay, you have to analyze what the linear pair they are forming. So their addition will be equal to 180 degree. In the same way, there is one more line is there. So their sum is also 180 degree. Both will be equal, and the same angle will be cancelled out, and you will have this angle equal to this one. And these angles are forming the angle in the same segment. So your angle APB will be equal to the ACP, and angle DBQ will be equal to DCQ. So both the angles should be equal. Come to the question number 10. What is your question number 10 here? If the circles are drawn taking the two sides of a triangle as a diameter. If there is one triangle, if you are taking one side of this side as a diameter of a circle, so you will draw a circle like this. If you are taking the AC as a diameter, then you will make one more line here. Just like this. Given in triangle ABC, AB act as diameter for circle 1, and AC act as a diameter for the circle 2. Now what you have to prove that both their point of intersection lie on the third side. So you have to show that this D point to show that D lie on BC. This D point lie on BC. How you will prove that they lie on a line when they are forming a linear pair? If you wanted to prove that D lie on a same line, so you need to prove that this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees, so that you can prove that by the linear pair, all the 3 points lie on a line. आपको यही शो करना है कि D जो है वो BC पे लाई कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स आपको ये शो करना है कि इस एंगल का प्लस इस एंगल का सम दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. और लिनियर पेयर तभी फॉर्म होते हैं जब लाइन होती है, और लाइन है तो वो D से पास होगी. Clear? So as AC, so अगर AB diameter है तो एंगल ADB, your angle ADB will be equal to 90 degree. Reason, angle made by diameter, which is the diameter here, AB is of 90 degree. Diameter से जो एंगल बनता है that is of 90 degree. Similarly, you can say that AC is also diameter, so the angle ADC that is of 90 degree, reason the same, but the diameter is here AC. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, you will have here the ADB plus ADC equal 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree. They are forming linear pair. They are forming the linear pair. So BDC lie on a line. Hence proved. come to the question number 11 here. Question number 11. When there are the two right angle triangle with a common hypotenuse AC. There is a two right angle triangle. One is like this and another is like this with the same hypotenuse, common hypotenuse AC. Not like this. There is a ABC is a right angle triangle. This is your first right angle, okay, with the AC hypotenuse, ABC, and another is there is a one another hypotenuse is there, that is ADC. Both are the right angle triangle. Given triangle ABC is right angled at B and the triangle ADC is right angled at D with the common hypotenuse AC. What you need to prove? You need to prove that angle CAD will be equal to CBD. Clear? How you will prove it? The CAD will be equal to the CBD. They both are angle are equal. So, if these are a right angle triangle, so I can make a circle. If angle B is of 90 degree and angle D is of 90 degree, so AB sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. This implies that angle B plus D, that is of 90 plus 90, 180 degree. This implies that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, just like this. Just like this, ABCD is forming a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if they are forming a cyclic quadrilateral, that angle CAD, this angle will be equal to CBD. This angle made by the same segment are equal. So, angle this implies that angle CAD equal CBD, since angle made by same segment. This segment is a CD segment. These are equal. Hence, true. These two angles are only equal when they are forming the same segment. Are always equal, and this segment, the angle will be formed only when this is forming a cyclic quadrilateral. Because in a cycle we can say that this angle of segment is equal to this angle of segment. So we need to prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. As you know that by the property of a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. As you can see, both the angles are of 90 degree, and it is given that they are both are 90, so their sum will be definitely 180 degree. So they are forming a cyclic quadrilateral. So their angle made by the same segment should be equal. So come to the last question, question number 12 of this exercise. What is given in the question number 12? Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. What is given here? ABCD given. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. Parallelogram means it is a cyclic quadrilateral plus parallelogram. Okay, it is if ABCD is a just like this ABCD, it is a cyclic parallelogram. What you need to prove? You need to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. And how it is possible? That how you can say that a parallelogram will become a rectangle when their all angles are of 90 degree. It means you need to prove that angle ABCD is equal to 180 degree. Now, by the proof, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, angle A plus angle C will be 180 degree, and angle B plus G, that is of 180 degree, because the sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. But angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, because of ABCD is a parallelogram also, and in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So put in equation 1, this is your equation 1 and equation 2. So if angle A plus C both are equal to angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree, angle B plus angle B, that is also 180 degree. This implies that angle A is equal to 180 by 2, that is of 90 degree, and 2 times of angle B is equal to 180, that is also 90. As angle A and angle C both are equal, so both become of 90, and angle B or angle D, that is also equal, that is of 90 degree. So all the angles become of 90 degree. This implies that ABCD, which is a parallelogram just before it, so there is no need to prove that their opposite sides are also equal, because parallelogram is given here now, so it means their opposite sides are equal. But now what the need is, you have to prove that all the angles are of 90 degree, which you have already proved here. So you can say that the ABCD is a rectangle. Hence, good. Here your 10.5 exercise complete. Try this exercise at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.